Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Samsung Galaxy phone is in airplane mode and you're unsure of how to turn it off. It might be stuck in flight mode. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up the settings gear icon, and you might have to scroll up on the home screen to get to it. Again, it's a little gear icon. So it says settings. Go ahead and open that up and then select network and internet. There should be an airplane mode item in here. If you just left click inside the oval one time, that'll turn it off, and that should be about it. And you may want to make sure your SIM device is connected as well. For some reason, maybe it's turned off, and that's if you're having an issue disabling airplane mode, that could be part of the problem. And you also want to check if you have internet up here at the top too. You can check and see available networks. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.